To increase the text size on your iPhone, go to Settings, then go to Accessibility, then go to Display and Text Size. To utilize the Speak selection on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Spoken Content. If you would like to turn on the ringer volume on your iPhone and enable LED flashes to help you, you can go to Settings. When you go to Settings, go to Accessibility. From Accessibility, go to Audio Visual, then turn on LED flash for alerts. If you would like to zoom into a picture or document, push down your fingers and zoom out while you pinch out of the image. If you want to zoom back in, pinch your fingers back in together and the image will come back in. To organize your files on your iPhone, you can put them into groups. Place a soft touch by holding down on one application with your finger. Wait until the application starts to jiggle around with a little X that comes with it. Place back your finger on the application that you want to move and drag the application on top of another application. When you do this, this will create a folder. Let go of the application and rename your file at the top of the folder.